Wow, the world of AI is just moving at breakneck speed, isn't it? It's
Right.
really reshaping industries, even creative fields like product design, which felt kind of resistant for a while.
Totally. We're seeing it everywhere, from art to code.
Mm.
And yeah, product design is definitely feeling the impact now.
And that's what brings us to today's deep dive. We're looking at a really interesting AI design tool called Magic Patterns. It popped up recently on Product Hunt.
Yes.
Yeah.
Product Hunt. The launch pad for so much cool new tech.
Exactly. So our plan is basically to unpack what Magic Patterns is, how it actually works, and figure out why product teams, designers, maybe even founders are getting so excited about it.
Sounds like a plan. Let's get into it.
Okay, so Magic Patterns. It bills itself as this AI design tool specifically for, software product teams. What's the core idea here? Who's it really for?
Well, fundamentally, it tackles rapid prototyping, creating those interactive mockups quickly. It's essentially an AI engine designed to take product ideas and generate UI/UX components really efficiently. The makers actually called it the best vibe designing tool.
Vibe designing tool. I like that. What does that mean in practice?
It means translating that abstract feeling, that, core concept you have, into actual usable design elements and doing it fast.
So it's less about the tedious pixel pushing and more about getting the idea visualized.
Precisely.
Yeah.
It aims to shift that bottleneck away from slow UI building towards just, pure ideation.
And looking at their latest launch, it seems packed with features to help that. They mentioned commands, like straightforward prompts.
Yeah, things like inspiration to just get you started quickly. And then there are components.
Okay, components. That sounds like using pre-built stuff.
Sort of. It lets you build using reusable elements, maybe even from your own existing design systems.
Yeah.
Those libraries teams use for brand consistency.
Okay, that makes sense. Keep everything looking coherent. And they mentioned permissions, too.
Right, which is all about making team collaboration smoother, controlling who can see your edit what. Pretty standard, but important for teams.
So if you put these features together, how do they actually change the day-to-day design process?
Well, think about iteration. Being able to easily flip between different design versions, that's huge for exploring ideas.
Uh-huh. No fear of losing work or messing things up.
Exactly. And connecting your custom design system means you're not just getting generic stuff. It looks like your product. Plus, the debugging and iterating part. They say it's fast and easy using their prompts and tools, all on this kind of collaborative canvas.
So it frees designers up, lets them focus more on the bigger picture, maybe user needs, instead of getting stuck in the weeds.
That's the goal. More strategic thinking, less getting bogged down in, assembling components piece by piece.
And it seems the output quality is a big talking point too, especially how it plays with other tools. I saw mentions of seamless Figma export.
Yes, and that's crucial. Users noted the layers are properly organized. Apparently some other tools just give you what was the quote, a wall of nonsense.
A wall of nonsense. Doesn't sound very useful. So, a clean Figma export is a massive practical advantage.
Oh, absolutely. It saves potentially hours of cleanup work. It's a common frustration with AI tools, getting something that looks right, but is unusable structurally.
So the feedback reflects that.
Overwhelmingly positive, yeah. A 4.9-star rating, I think, from about 26 reviews when we looked. People calling it the best UI/UX generator, even saying it's become a core part of my team's workflow.
Wow, core part. That's strong praise. It really suggests it's making a difference for designers, helping them iterate faster without compromising quality.
Definitely. Quick iteration is key in product development.
And this isn't their first rodeo, right? You mentioned they've launched on Product Hunt before.
That's right. This is their fourth launch. They started back in 2023 with something called Patterns, which was more like just a library of components.
Okay, so a more static collection.
Yeah, then they saw the potential with new AI models and pivoted to actually generating components from prompts. This latest version just takes it much further.
That evolution is interesting. What does it suggest about where AI in design is headed?
What really makes you wonder, how will tools like this keep reshaping the whole product development process? It's not just about automating old tasks anymore.
It's changing the workflow itself.
Fundamentally, yes.
Yeah.
How ideas go from just a concept to something you can actually interact with. Maybe the designer's role shifts more towards being an AI orchestrator, perhaps.
A design strategist guiding the AI.
Something like that, focusing on the high-level vision, the why, while the AI handles more of the granular execution, the how.
It's fascinating. So a final thought for you listening, just how far can this AI-powered creativity go? When the barrier to creating something interactive, something tangible, gets this low, What new possibilities does that open up, especially for someone who might have a great idea but maybe not the traditional design skills?
Yeah, what happens when almost anyone can visualize and test a product idea almost instantly? That's something to really think about.